Ukraine's armed forces on Sunday killed 46 Russian servicemen and destroyed an armored personnel carrier and an ammunition depot in the east of the country. Our missile and artillery units eliminated 46 enemy servicemen, 8 T-62 tanks, 2 122mm howitzers, 2 Grad multiple rocket launchers, vehicles, armored personnel vehicles, and an ammunition depot, the Operational Command South posted on Facebook. Sunday saw intense fighting and fierce close combat clashes in Severodonetsk, an eastern Ukrainian city, as Russia sought to seize full control of the country's eastern Donbas region. The Donbas region has been the focus of Russia's war against the country in recent weeks after forces withdrew from Kyiv. Russian President Vladimir Putin is looking for military victory by attempting to seize the two big eastern regions, Luhansk and Donetsk, swathes of which have been under the control of Kremlin-backed separatists since 2014. If Putin's troops capture the two twin cities of Severodonetsk and Lysychansk, then all of Luhansk would be under Russian control. British intelligence said Friday that Russian ground forces are continuing their attempt to surround Severodonetsk and Lysychansk after recently capturing several villages northwest of Popasna. Russia is pressuring the Severodonetsk pocket, although Ukraine retains control of multiple defended sectors, denying Russia full control of the Donbas, the Ministry of Defense said in an intelligence update. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, during a rare visit to the front line in Kharkiv, described the situation as indescribably difficult. Capturing Severodonetsk is a principal task for the occupation force, Zelensky said, adding that Russian troops don't care about casualties. The Ukrainian leader visited soldiers in the country's second-largest city, where some 90% of buildings and critical infrastructure have even been destroyed amid the ongoing war, which is reaching its 100th day. I feel boundless pride in our defenders. Every day, risking their lives, they fight for Ukraine's freedom, Zelensky wrote on the Telegram messaging app shortly after his visit to Kharkiv. Separately on Sunday, Russia's Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov told French TF1 television that Putin's unconditional priority in the war is the liberation of the Donetsk and Luhansk regions. Zelensky has repeatedly asserted that Ukraine will never give up territory to help reach peace in the ongoing conflict. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.